Here we are, I think at Tim Falls. I think is what it's called. Got a lot going on. Woo! We hiked the 2 miles, and then I ran the last close to a quarter mile to get to the waterfall, and it goes like 5 more miles. We gotta stop here because I got the chilling. But man, that mist feels good. Woo! Check out this view. It's misty. It's getting me all misty. It's awesome. Woo, that's cold. See how cold this water is. Yep, that's ice. Dang. Woo. That's icy. There they are, way down there. Carol basking snacking. That's so cute. There's Pratt. Awesome. Let's go say hi to them and see what they thought of the hike. The view though. Ooh. You can see forever. Look what this way. Starting to get evening time. Alright, let's go say hi to them. What is that? Alright, we made it back to the fam. Hey Cubs, did you hike it really good? Were you having a good hike? Yeah. What do you got? Crackers?
Pretzels.
Did you see me up there, Pratt?
The second time.
I saw you waving.
And in the picture.
Yeah. Mario. We call those Marios. Ha. What you got? Fruits? Nice, dude.
Yep.
Let me get one of them. Let me get one of them chunks.
Daddy, might be coming up on the
How was the hike up here? That good, huh? Oh, good.
Not
You like this one?
Not every Sunday, every other Sunday.
Yeah, but you like this hike. That's cool. Yep. What?
Cucumber vampire tea.
Okay. We're gonna hang out and eat for a minute. That water was icy. It's a phone.
Hey guys, welcome back to the view.
Oh my gosh. We going on the way down. Pat, you done with your cracker? Here, I'll hold your hand. Oh, so cute.
Yeah, when we go slow, it makes us warmer.
It makes you normal?
No, warmer.
Oh, okay, go.
Move.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Ray.
Oh, mine, Ree. You're going up. We're trying to go down.
I'm just trying to see.
Pratt, it's all you, bro. Look at you go. There goes Pratt.
It's literally almost nighttime.
Hey guys, check out the view. Pew, 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 pew.
Hey guys, welcome back to the view. With the cracker.
Pratt's doing it too now. What?
Dad is the leader.
Who? Who's the leader?
Dad.
Who's the trail?
Trail.
In the very back.
Mom.
Nope, Jacoby.
How dare you?
Alright, almost back to the parking lot. That's the parking lot right up there. We got knocked out Cobes and rocked him to sleep. Are you happy?
I'm excited.
But why?
To the car.
For what?
Because I want to sit down.
Because you want to go home? We almost made it. Oh, we got a little cry. We'll meet you back in the parking lot in a minute. We made it back. What?
Nothing. We're filming my video. Now turn off the camera. Turn off the camera. Turn off the camera.
Was that? Wait. Just tell me. Was it a fun hike? What? Why are you shy? Was it fun, Ree? Was it fun, Pratt? Mama, was it fun? Was it fun, B?
Brad said it was not fun because he tripped a lot.
Say peace out, Girl Scout. Come on, say
You
it.
ruined the shot.
All right, peace out, Girl Scout.
We didn't
Oh,
even
go
make the
ahead.
shot yet.
Quick, go.
No.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
I'm gonna disappear. Ready?
Yep.
Hiya!
Guys, I have no idea where she went.
And now I'm gonna go. Hiya!
Oh, there she is.